two-pole circuit breaker's rated trip amperage is triggered by overcurrent on either leg, or when the combined current on both legs exceeds the rated trip amperage. Consider a 200 amp main breaker as an example. One leg can carry up to 199 amps. Both legs combined cannot carry more than 200 amps. If either leg exceeds 199 amps, or if the total current on both legs exceeds 200 amps, the main breaker will trip. The reason a 200 amp service might be conceptually thought of as capable of 400 amps is that each leg of the circuit can carry the full rated amperage individually. In most residential applications, the loads are balanced across both legs, so the current is more evenly distributed. It is crucial to recognize that the combined current on both legs cannot exceed the rated trip amperage of the breaker, which in this example is 200 amps. If the loads are not balanced, and one leg carries a significantly higher current than the other, it could trip the breaker even though the total current is less than 400 amps if you were to consider both legs separately. To prevent overloads and potential electrical hazards, ensure that the load on both legs of a two-pole breaker is balanced. Proper wiring and load distribution techniques achieve this balance.